Public health, the environment, and economic development are all inherently intertwined. In order to examine this, I'll be using a case study on the effects of the Yali Falls Dam in Vietnam on the public health situation in parts of northeastern Cambodia. The construction of the dam has had several consequences, the decrease in water quality being the one which has had the greatest impact on human health. Large releases of water from the dam, which are used to generate electricity, result in flooding of downstream areas. Since the released water may have been stagnant in reservoirs created by damming, these floodwaters are often contaminated with mercury, which causes heating and destruction of biodiversity. Since residents rely on the river water for consumption, cooking, cleaning, and agricultural activities, the polluted floodwaters have dramatic effects on health. First of all, fish is the main source of protein in Cambodia, and in certain areas accounts for 75% of protein intake. Warm, contaminated waters either kill fish or make them unsafe to eat. Since the dam was constructed, 91% of those surveyed claimed their fish consumption declined. This could lead to malnutrition if alternative protein sources are not found. Second, ingestion of contaminated water can cause a variety of diseases. Arsenic poisoning in Cambodia has increased significantly. When water contaminated with arsenic is consumed, it can lead to skin conditions, cancer, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and reproductive disorders. Poor sanitation can lead to cholera if food or water become contaminated with the bacteria. This disease causes vomiting and diarrhea, which can lead to dehydration and be deadly if water and nutrients are not replenished quickly enough. Another disease that has become more prevalent due to environmental issues is encephalitis, or inflammation of the brain. Mosquitoes spread this disease from person to person. Since mosquitoes tend to congregate around stagnant water, the spread of the disease becomes worse during flooding. Malaria, a parasitic disease, also spreads in this manner. Clearly, environmental damage such as flooding, water contamination, and destruction of wildlife due to economic development such as dam construction leads to public health issues. Since the dam was built, the prevalence of several diseases has increased. This increase will impede economic development in Cambodia. If people are sick, economic productivity will decline. Because this part of Cambodia is mainly a subsistence economy, this could mean lack of food necessary to survive. Economic development would also be slowed because the river is a source of transportation. While flooding is a major problem, it's not uncommon for the river to be dried when the dam has not released water recently. Economic development, the environment, and public health are interconnected. If development causes environmental damage, disease rates can increase, which can slow future development. When development does occur, health risks need to be taken into consideration.